Are you listening? Can you hear me? I said, are you listening? Can you hear me? Listen to me. The fact is, you all heard me the first time. I didn't need to get louder. I didn't need to shout. What I needed was to be heard. Across Aotearoa today, people are talking, but not everyone is listening, not everyone feels heard. We argue, we debate, we shout. But we really do the hardest thing of all, that is listening to understand, whakarongo kia marama, listening to understand, listening not just to respond, but listening so that the person speaking knows that they matter, listening to understand. White noise, a constant sound, the static of a TV. A frequency so loud that everything gets drowned out. A frequency so powerful that it's effectively muted our people, stripped our identity, warped our individuality. In Aotearoa today, Māori and Pacifica students are 3 times more likely to be stood down or suspended than Pākehā students. Pacifica families are twice as likely to live in overcrowded homes. Māori make up 17% of this nation and yet nearly half of the prison population for generations. The systems built and controlled by the white noise have refused to hear our voices. The white noise ignored our languages, erased our history, silenced our stories. They mispronounce our names, they mock our accents, they dismiss our traditions as different or less than. Many of us grew up calling ourselves plastics when we feel much more like the traditional coconuts. Brown on the outside, white on the inside, too brown for the white spaces, too white for our own people. Plastics, bent, molded, trying to fit a shape that was never ours. We start asking ourselves questions. Am I too loud? Am I too island? Am I too much? Shh. We are told to adapt, to blend in, to shrink ourselves to fit the expectations of a society that never valued our cultures. Shh. This is what happens when white power decides which voices matter. Our voices are pushed aside, overlooked, silenced, but we are here. We will be heard, and we will not be silenced. Shh. Listening to understand is the first step to cutting through the white noise. It is how we reclaim our identity. It is how we celebrate our language, our culture, our histories. It is how we rise above being plastics, to be proud, to be seen, to be heard. Today, I need you all to listen, not to the noise, but to the voice. Listen to this, my voice. This is what you all assume about my life. Hey everybody, my name is Paora Tavake. I attend one of the best schools our part of the world. I'm one of the happiest kids you'll ever meet. As I strum my ukulele and sing my heart out, there is a never-ending grin across my white face. But my brown face says otherwise. Now listen again, my voice. This is what you don't know about my life. My name is Paora Tavake. I'm a polybred bastard, born and raised in South Auckland, living off the benefit, 12 people under one roof. School wasn't a dream, no, it was a mission. Be good, behave. Use your manners, mask up. School isn't for friends, son. It's where you're going to work. Because for the brown kids, school isn't always a place to grow. No, sometimes it's just the tickets out. And even there, I learned the truth. My brown face carried away, others didn't see. Too much, too bright, too island. My hyena laughed too loud, my poly pride too noticeable. Every glance, every comment, every joke that started with, I'm not racist, but reminded me that being fully me wasn't enough. This story is not just mine, it's ours. Because when you hear racism, you cannot stay silent. When the teacher laughs because your name is too hard, say something. When someone says, your English is really good, say something. When security guards follow the brown kid around the store, say something. When someone says, go back to where you came from, say something, say something, say something again. When you hear it, say something. Because silence is just more white noise. Shh. The ancestors knew the answer. Mā te rongo ka mohio, mā te mohio ka mātou, mā te mātou ka marama, mā te marama ka ora. Through listening comes awareness. Through awareness comes understanding. Through understanding comes knowledge. And through that knowledge comes whānau mā, our life. We are the loudest generation in history. We argue online. We debate in classrooms. Everyone has the freedom to speak, and yet voices still struggle to reach anyone because hearing sound is easy. Listening is a choice. I tēnei ata, kei te tūau ka tū rātou ngā whai kōrero. We are doing our part. We are speaking up. The real question is, what are you doing to listen? Are you listening to what we have to say now? Can you hear us? Because we are here. We will be heard, and we will not be silenced. Kanukunuku kaneke kanukunuku kaneke ke titiro ki ngā taia to verau e hora nei mehe pipui warau roa ki tua takoto te pai wa fiti ta fiti ta te raki tua takoto te pai no reira tēnā koutou katoa.